Welcome to another episode of This Is Anything Goes. So today I'm going to show you how to change the strap on the Galaxy Watch 5. Alright, so you look at the back, there's two knots over here. Alright, what you want to do is you need to push the knot towards the long side here and then slot it out. Alright, just like this. Alright, push it over here and then move it out. Alright, so these are spring loaded, so makes it easy. Alright, and then you just put it back in. Alright, there's a hole over here. So just align it, put it in, and do the same, push it down. Yeah, you have it. Alright, same goes with this side. Push it down, move it out, and put this in, and we are done. Okay? Alright, so that's the end of this video. Give it a thumbs up if you like this. Give it this if you dislike it, but leave us a comment on how to improve further. Alright? See you next time. I will see you again.